Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope so guys you like this video. Beautiful skirt designs viewers. In this video I am share subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope friends in this video I am share beautiful and outclass ideas, new skirts designs viewers. In this video I am introduce, first of all guys, subscribe my YouTube channel and you will like this beautiful amazing ideas. And viewers, I hope so you like this video and new stylistic pattern that I share. And viewers, like this video, enjoy my ideas, beautiful and attractive styles I am share in this video. So guys, you will like this beautiful and new outclass pattern. Viewers, enjoy this video and like my ideas that I share. Hopefully guys you will enjoy this beautiful and new worthy designs, elegant skirt pattern, and I hope you will enjoy my ideas. Subscribe this channel and enjoy my ideas that are very worthy, new and stylistic pattern shared with you in this video. And guys, like my ideas, beautiful new attractive outclass ideas in this video. Viewers, I am share and you will enjoy new skirts pattern, elegant and most worthy designs आपके साथ शेयर किए जा रहे हैं. And viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel. Beautiful skirt skirt आइडियाज़ आपको दिखाए जाते हैं डेली बेसिस पर गाइस, तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड होपफुली यू विल एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. न्यू एंड वर्दी पैटर्न शेयर विद यू ऑन द डेली बेसिस. एंड गाइस, लाइक दिस वीडियो, enjoy my ideas, most unique and elegant styles. You will enjoy this video and different styles, beautiful and rupture ideas. Thank you viewers to watching this video at the last. I will meet you next time with beautiful and interactive styles, most elegant pattern. You can like it. Have a nice day guys. I hope you like this video. Beautiful and word style pattern, new and amazing idea.